Welcome in a quick tutorials. In this video I want to show you how you can drop shadow to your image or your object, or even how you can make shadow behind it. So all you have to do is go to Effects, right there shadow, and generate drop shadow, paste it on your object, click here to Effects and click drop shadow, and now you can do it. Really honestly, this is easy. Opacity, the distance, you can change the angle, like from where the sun is shining. You can scale it to make it bigger, like in a horror movie. Wow! And you can change the quality of it. So yeah, that's kind of it. That's how you drop a shadow. That's how you create a shadow behind the object or an image in HeatFilm Express 12. Thank you very much, everybody, and goodbye.